Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the US Bank mobile app for credit card controls, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the US Bank mobile app for credit card controls, first, unlock your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type US Bank. Press the search button or tap the Enter key. Locate the US Bank mobile app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by US Bank National Association. Tap on the app to view its details. Press the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the app by tapping Open. If prompted, allow the app to access your necessary device features. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Tap on Sign in if you already have an account. Enter your US Bank user ID and password. If you do not have an account, tap on Enroll now to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. After signing in, navigate to the Credit Card Controls section. Here, you can set limits, report lost cards, or temporarily freeze your card. Explore additional features. Ensure you log out after managing your controls for security. Close the app when you are finished. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the US. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.